Hi, this is Gabe Mercado. Dapdap is a small barangay in the town of Calawag in Quezon. It faces the Pacific Ocean and is one of the harder to reach places in Luzon. And yet, theater is happening here.
Action!
Kung nakapantalong lamang kahit kanina ka pa binali ang liig.
Tapos na ang pabili. Ngunit nakinisgahan lamang ay sa friend. Matakot kayo sa pabili, mas nakinabaka.
Ang pangalan po ng aming samahan ay Tanghalang Lambat Kawit.
Madami po ako natutunan tulad po ng pakikitungo sa tao at saka po yung pakikiharap, pakihalubilo.
Pinapabasa po kami ng script tapos pinapaarte.
Kaya po kami natututo sa acting at sa teatro.
Tanghalang Lambat Kawit is a socio-cultural organization committed to giving free theater arts training to less privileged high school students. Organized in 2009, TLK is now training 30 students whose parents are mostly fisherfolk and coconut farmers. Aside from the free workshops, we also support the education of these youngsters by partially covering school fees and providing a meager allowance to minimize hunger-related absenteeism. We are also trying to help their parents by linking them with microfinance specialists and social enterprise experts. This year, we plan to raise our level of involvement. We want to build a youth center that will house a rehearsal and performance venue, a small library, a group study hall, and a computer area. We hope that the youth center will serve as a venue for these kids to effectively tell their unique stories and improve their chances for higher education.
Isa pong napakalang tulong sa mga bata sapagkat ang mga bata pong ito ay naging inspirado sa kanilang pag-aaral.
Kaming mga members ng faculty ay natutuwa at nagkaroon ng bagong samahan. Marami silang natututunan at ang kanilang mga pag-uugali ay napansin namin na medyo naging mas maayos.
Please join us in our humble undertaking. Help build a better future for the youth of Dapdap Calawag by donating to Tanghalang Lambat Kawit.